Good morning. This is Greg Huffman. I'm a firearms instructor here at the American Institute for Marksmanship at Cave City, Kentucky. I'm also a retired law enforcement, 20 years with the Kentucky State Police, 17 of which I was a certified range officer and firearms instructor for the State Police. Our purpose here today is to test this ballistic armor and plating in the backpack. Today we're going to shoot a Glock G35 .40 caliber S&W. The load that we're going to be using will be the Spear Gold Dot at approximately 1,200 feet per second, 155 grain bullet, hollow point design. The purpose of this test is to see if it will penetrate the armor that's been placed in this backpack. From what I can tell, doesn't appear to be any through and through penetration. Looking at the materials now, when you shoot material like this, sometimes it has a tendency to close up, but I don't see anything that looks like that.
Can you bring it closer? I'm having a little trouble hearing you. Okay, that's good.
Doesn't appear to be any through and through penetration on this. Holes through material tend to close back up after a projectile passes through them, but I don't even see anything like that. So right about the center, I've moved them out where I wasn't hitting the same spot. I wanted to hit various areas. Appears to be a clean back. We just completed the Glock G35 test, 5 rounds in the backpack. Now we're switching to the FN 5.7, and the ammunition that we're going to be testing right now is the SS 197. This is the 40 grain VMAX load with a polymer tip. We'll see how it does. Clear.
All right. You want to go on up and get the backpack and...
As you can see, I moved my point of aim here to this clear area. I've got 5 rounds here. Now that's a .22 caliber projectile, so it would be harder to see, but to me, it does not appear that it has fully penetrated the backpack either. Again, about this level, that's the first third up. It looks clean. Alright, now we're going to try a different ammunition for the 5.7. Again, the first load we tested, the blue polymer tip, that is the SS 197, the 40 grain VMAX. The next load we're going to test is the SS 198 lead-free cartridge. This cartridge, this projectile should be moving at approximately 2,150 feet per second. And let's see what it does. clear. No obvious penetration. Again, let me expand on that ammunition too. That is a the SS-198 is a law enforcement round, which is approximately 150 feet per second faster than the civilian version. The SS-195, they tell me, I have not tested it, but they tell me velocity on it is approximately 2,000 feet per second. So the law enforcement version that we just tested on the backpack is actually 150 feet per second faster than that. And I do not see any penetration, actually, to my surprise, because that projectile has an aluminum core penetrator in it. Good job. All right, we've completed the testing and been digging projectiles out of the backpack. Confirmed that that we haven't perforated the backpack. Here are the 155 grain Spear gold dots out of the 40 caliber, and we have some beautiful mushrooming here. The gold dot is a bonded projectile, and this test here bears that out, because I don't see any jacket or core separation at all, and got some very nice mushrooming. Here we even have some of the backpack material lodged in the hollow point. As we move over to the 5.7, as expected, the SS-197 with the polymer tip is all fragments. We just have lead and jacket fragments, and actually what that bullet is designed to do. We move to the SS-198. Most of these are intact. Hollow point construction, the nose is bent over. You can see how that is deformed. This, I haven't done extensive testing with the 5.7, but this is the worst condition projectile that I have seen using the SS-198 in the 5.7. You can see this one is just flattened out. This is more typical. You can see how the nose, the hollow point cavity is bent over. And we even have one of the meplats from the SS-197. That's on the base of the bullet. Very good. I'm impressed so far.
Hello, I'm Steve Ayers with Got Your Backpack. It's our engineer Larry Mustard with Got Your Backpack, and we'd like to thank Mr. Huffman for your time today and your expertise today. As you have seen in this video, Got Your Backpack will stop the projectiles that come at you. Well, who needs a backpack like this? Executives traveling out of country, personal protection wherever you may be, university students. You never know when something's going to happen, but with Got Your Backpack, you have a chance to live on.